Again here 20 minus this 4 square is 16 plus 12 divided by 4 times 2 plus 1 in bracket. Here 20 minus 16 is 4 plus 12 divided by 4 times 2 plus 1 in bracket. Here this 4 plus 12 is 16 divided by 4 times 2 plus 1 in bracket. Here 16 divided by 4 is 4 times 2 plus 1 in bracket. Here 4 times this is 3. Here 4 times 3 is 12 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 12 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket. This is exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also these addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operation PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. So we have to do this bracket before any other operation. So 20 minus 4 to the power of 2 plus 12 divided by 4 times. The bracket here is 2 plus 1 is 3. The next priority is exponent. We have exponent here is 4 to the power of 2. We have to do this 4 to the power of 2 before any other operation. So 20 minus 4 to the power of 2 is 16 plus 12 divided by 4 times 3. Here the next priority is multiplication and division. Here we have multiplication and division in this problem. We have to do this multiplication division before this addition and subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is 12 divided by 4. So we have to do this 12 divided by 4 before any other operation. So 20 minus 16 plus this 12 divided by 4 is 3 times this 3. Here we have subtraction, addition and multiplication. Multiplication is higher priority than this addition and subtraction. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition and subtraction. So 20 minus 16 plus 3 times 3 is 9. Here we have subtraction and addition. Both are here equal priority. For this we have introduced this left to right. Here left to right is 20 minus 16. 20 minus 16 is 4 plus 9. 4 plus 9 is 13 is the correct answer.